Let's get to a top trending ticker here on Yahoo Finance, and that is Apple. Shares on the move after the Chinese government reporting that new iPhone shipments in the country fell about 33% last month, although Apple now just above the flat line. Now, this latest number here extending a demand slump that we have reportedly seen in the tech giant's most important overseas market. This is Apple's second consecutive month of lower shipments. They fell by about a third in the month of February. Foreign brands shipped only about 2.4 million smartphones overall there in China. Apple, the only major foreign player here in the Chinese market. We know that they have had some trouble really competing with some of the Chinese players there within that space. Some backlash there, Maddie, as geopolitical tensions have risen just a bit. So not necessarily a huge surprise that we are seeing this dip, given the fact that we've talked to a number of strategists, a number of analysts here on this show who have been forecasting this. I think the question, though, is how severe is it going to be in the long run, and whether or not Apple is able to stem some of these losses.
And whether Tim Cook has the potential to be able to turn it around. We saw the video of him saying that he loves China and sees a lot of bright and shiny things in China's future. So we'll see if we have anything to hear from him, as he's expected to be dining with Premier Xi Jinping this week. But having said that, it is an indication of the challenges that Apple has been facing all year, like you mentioned, Shauna, with these declining sales out of China as consumers there start to buckle under a tough economy, but also start to move towards some of those more homegrown names. And we're seeing this play out in the EV space as well. That is leaving Apple stock down nearly 8% year to date, really trailing its peers in the Magnificent Seven. So a tough year for Apple stock.